Hello guys, welcome to Java tutorial. Today's topic is string builder is a mutable sequence of character. Mutable means you can modify object, but string immutable, which is can't modify once created. String builder, it is a part of the java.lang package and introduced in Java 1.5 version. Why we use string builder? Modification happens in same object, so it efficient for repeated changes. For example, concatenation. In string builder class contain lot of methods. Some methods are common between string and string builder. Some methods are not existing string. First method is append. String builder string builder A B C D E F E F G H I. Now print SB. What happened? ABCD. And now append method. I want to add few more characters. SB dot use append. Here append string. Pass the parameter string type. Very now now run the application. Here look at the console. ABCD up to I. Here ABCD and A. We are adding the characters. Suppose if I create string, ABCD there is no append method. Mainly the string builder used for memory efficiency. Same memory you can use multiple times. And next method delete. Here SB delete. We can remove characters starting to end. Here starting to end. I want to remove first index to 5th and sys out. A 0 position, B is 1 position and C is index 3. Observe carefully. F character is not removed because the end position is not include, it's exclude. So it remove 1 to 4 index only. Suppose if I enter 2, it remove only B. It start with 1. The 2 is not included. That's a reminder. We can delete specific index. SB dot delete character method. We can pass index 0. Okay. Out SB. And we remove 0 position index. Yeah, 0 position index is A character, it removed. Next method, reverse method. Reverse method, sys out. Run the application. Reverse all characters. Here ABCD up to I and reversing all characters. Start with I, end with A. Next method, length. SB dot length. There are 9 characters. Here one more interesting method, capacity. Capacity. Here 25. Default capacity of string builder is 16 and 16 plus 9 length. So SB dot length. Here length is 9. The string builder length is 9. Capacity is 25. Here the default capacity is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Suppose if it is empty, console, here 0, length is 0, default capacity is 16. Next method is substring. SB substring. Just start, and there are two methods. Substring only one parameter, substring two parameters, and substring one parameter. Substring used to extract some part of original content. So I start with 2 and sort SB. So we can hold that substring part in string subpart. So SUB. And here start with 2 index. S is 2, A is 0, B is 1 and C is 2. C is position 2, 2 to up to G. Here up to C to G. Here I want to extract specific index to end position. So I enter 5 and comment below what the answer. Here C is position 2, D is 3, E 4, F is 5. The end is not included. I am repeating again, the end is not included, excluded. So 2, 3, 4. Yes, C, D, E. If I enter 3, yeah, only C. The C is 2. Start with 2 and end with 3, not included. Next move to string buffer. String buffer also same like a string builder. What are the methods present in string builder? Same method present in string buffer. But the difference between string buffer and string builder, string buffer, it is a synchronized, but string builder not synchronized. And string buffer is thread safe and string builder no thread safe. And string buffer is slower compared to string builder and string builder faster compared to string buffer. And string buffer string buffer passing random characters. And what are the methods present in string builder? Same method present in string buffer. And SSB. And now insert method. a float int. I want to insert at index 0. Here I want to pass string. I want to pass string something. So SBB DKH. Yes, first start with DSF. Inserting at 0 index. Yeah. DSF. Here initially I assign DKH. This string insert at 0 position. So it is 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. And you have to convert string buffer to string, string builder to string. So only one method, sb dot toString. Convert into string. If you not use toString method, it throw the error. toString method. For now, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.